Good afternoon, everybody. Justin Gibbs here with the 10th National Weather Service in Paducah. We've got our first winter weather advisory of the season for areas mainly along Interstate 64 corridor in southern Illinois. For a couple inches of snow tomorrow morning. We think everybody will get a little bit of snow in the morning before it changes over to rain in the afternoon. A little bit of accumulation across the rest of the region, but we don't expect it to amount to much. And even in the winter weather advisory, it may not amount to too much, but there's too much risk for brief bouts of heavier snow that would be enough that it would cause the roadways to briefly become slick, that we wanted to put the advisory out. The advisory just means travel disruptions are possible, to be aware of that, and that's what we expect. Brief travel impacts. The good news is they shouldn't last long. If something happens at 9 o'clock in the morning, by 11 o'clock, everything should be back good, regardless of anything else, because it's going to be warming up. So again, here's the timeline, and there's your advisory area: Jefferson, Wayne, Edwards, and Wabash County in southern Illinois. Um, Brief bouts of heavier snow may cause localized travel disruptions and slick spots, so be alert for that. And then, obviously the same is possible everywhere else where we get brief snow in the morning, and then by 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, even maybe earlier than that, should be done, wrapped up and over with, as it turns to a very cold rain and a cold front sweeps through. It's part of a broader major storm system to our north across Iowa, Illinois, the Great Lakes region. So if you are traveling from or through that part of the area just north of the Quad State, be alert to that. And all of the other different complications that could result in national transportation infrastructure tomorrow because of this storm. Monday night, we have another round of wintry mix. Right now, as it's modeled, we see a mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Exactly where it would be impossible to pin down at this point, and how much. It doesn't look like huge amounts. The graphic I've got here is the probability of 1/10 of an inch or more of precip, and that would be enough to produce an inch or two of snow, um, or enough, sleet or glaze of freezing rain. Not enough to cause like power outages and social chaos or anything, but enough to be a little bit of a disruption, something to keep in mind. Uh, our gut says we'll end up maybe with a little bit more snow across most of our area, maybe 1 to 3 inches, but we just know that we don't know yet. So be alert for that. We're going to work this weekend, or, as soon as we get more data on that event, to try to get it narrowed down for you and give you the best picture that we can. Best forecast 1 to 2 inches. So mainly across parts of western Kentucky Monday night, and cold weather follows. But we know we don't want to be too aggressive yet, because we just don't know for sure. It's going to stay cold. We do know that for sure, as much as anyone can. Going to be highs near freezing Monday and Tuesday across the area. Lows in the mid to lower 20s, and even touching on 20 Tuesday morning, and staying cold with lows overnight well below freezing every night through the next 7 days. So everybody stay safe out there and stay warm, and enjoy the rest of your holiday weekend.